Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to crop a photo on Adobe Photoshop on a Mac. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a photo, and the software Adobe Photoshop. So we can now go down to the dock, go to your launchpad, search for Photoshop, go to Adobe CS6, or we can go to Finder, go to Applications, go to Photoshop, open up Adobe Photoshop 2020, and now wait for the application to load before we make the edit to the photo. If this is the first time you are using the application itself, read the terms of conditions and then continue. And now we can create new. Enter a name for the document. We'll just say trial photo. And then choose a width. I'll just use the resolution 1920 by 1080p. We need pixels. Click OK. And now we are ready to bring in a photo to edit and crop. So we can go to File, Import, Image from Device, or if we do not have a camera or scanner selected, we can bring a photo in from the desktop, take the photo, and drag onto Adobe Photoshop. And now we have the photo inserted to Photoshop. And now we are ready to edit, crop, export, decrease the size of the photo, and then click on Move Tool to remove the grid itself. Go to the left-hand side navigation bar, click on Crop Tool. Show Transform Controls, click on Crop. And then drag all the sides according to your image edit you wish to perform. And now we have officially cropped the photo as well as the background. So, Command S to save on the computer. Yes, trial photo PSD, save to the desktop itself so we can access this in the near future. Okay. Quit Photoshop. And so that is the photo itself, cropped and ready to use for another project. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.